Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? 3 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of y is equal to 234. Solution. Then here we have 3 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of y is equal to 234. Now this 3 to the power of x can be written as 3 to the power of x minus y plus y minus 3 to the power of y is equal to 234. You know that minus y plus y is the same thing as 0, so it doesn't really change anything here. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Then this can be written as 3 to the power of x minus y multiplied by 3 to the power of y minus 3 to the power of y is equal to 234. Now we can factor 3 to the power of y out. This is 3 to the power of y bracket. If you divide this by this, we have 3 to the power of x minus y. Then if you divide this by this, we have minus 1 is equal to 234. Now 234 is divisible by 2. Here is 117. Then it is divisible by 3. This is 39. And this is divisible by 3 as well. There is 13. Now here we have, this is 3. 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 13, that is 78. We multiply by 78. Also, here, 3 square is here. That is 3 square. Then multiply by 13 times 2, that is 26. Now here there are two cases here. Let's consider this. We have 3 to the power of y bracket 3 to the power of x minus y minus 1 is equal to 3 multiplied by 78. Then 3 to the power of y is equal to 3, and 3 to the power of x minus y minus 1 is equal to 78. Then from this, 3 to the power of y is equal to 3 to the power of 1. They have the same base. Y is equal to 1. And from here, 3 to the power of x minus y is equal to 78 plus 1. Then 3 to the power of x minus y is equal to 79. 3 to the power of x minus y cannot be equal to 79, so this is rejected. Now let's consider the second case here, which is 3 to the power of y bracket 3 to the power of x minus y minus 1 is equal to 3 square multiplied by 26. Then 3 to the power of y is equal to 3 square, and 3 to the power of x minus y minus 1 is equal to 26. Now this has the same base. Y is equal to 2. Then let's consider this. 3 to the power of x minus y minus 1 is equal to 26. 3 to the power of s minus y is equal to 26 plus 1. 3 to the power of s minus y is equal to 27. Then 3 to the power of s minus y is equal to 27 is 3 to the power of 3. They have the same base. S minus y is equal to 3. Now, but we know that here y is equal to 2. Then s minus 2 is equal to 3. S is equal to 3 plus 2. Therefore, s is equal to 5. This is the value of x. Therefore, our final answer are s comma y is equal to 5 comma 2. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3 to the power of s minus 3 to the power of y is equal to 234. When s is 5 and y is equal to 2, we have 3 to the power of 5 minus 3 to the power of 2 must be equal to 234. Then this is 3 to the power of 5, that is 243 minus 3 squared, 9 must be equal to 234. Then here 243 minus 9, this is 234 is equal to 234, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.